The Mutag biochip, developed and produced by Mutag in Germany, is a specially designed high-performance biofilm carrier with a high-grade pore system, which provides a habitat for microorganisms. We further declare why the pores of the Mutag biochip do not get clogged or congested with inactive biomass. The Mutag biochip is a parabolic disc with an outer diameter of approximately 30 mm and a thickness of approximately 1.1 mm. In the outer area of the disc, there is a homogeneous protection ring. In the inner zone, there is the pore structure, which is of high importance for the biological functionality. This microscopy shows a pore with microorganisms, which form an active biofilm in the pores. Looking at the function of a pore, it can be observed that the microorganisms establish inside of it, in form of particular biofilms, the so-called layers. The active biofilm can, depending on the specific wastewater characteristics and the respective application, expand over the entire pore. What is essential for the microorganisms is a sufficient supply of the biomass with substrate, or more specifically, nutrients contained in the water and oxygen in case of aerobic processes. It is crucial that the organisms in the pores can be sufficiently supplied and that no inactive biomass can emerge. In professional circles, this issue is referred to as diffusion and diffusion depth. The diffusion depth in our case can be assumed with approximately 0.5 mm. Up to this scale, the supply of active biofilms down to the deepest layers is ensured. The diffusion of 0.5 mm is hence the supply channel through the biomass. The deepest biofilms are situated in a layer thickness up to 0.5 mm. While diffusing through the supply channel of 0.5 mm through the particular biofilm layers, for example, the oxygen is being consumed by the organisms. Consequently, deeper zones and layers below 0.5 mm cannot be supplied with oxygen, since the oxygen was already consumed by the layers situated further above. Important: biomass established in pores with a pore depth of approximately 0.5 mm can permanently be supplied in a sufficient manner and hence does not die off. Since the Mutag biochip is a disc with a total thickness of approximately 1.1 mm, oxygen and substrates can sufficiently diffuse from both sides of the disc. The active biomass in the pores is permanently superseding any dead biomass due to its growth. Thereby, the biomass in the pores remains constant. Conclusion: the biomass preserved in the pores is always kept active. This may not seem easy to understand at first glance, but it is logical when giving it a serious consideration. Simply brilliant. Mutag biochip, the carrier media of the future. For contact, please visit our website mutag.de or mail to info@mutag.de. Thank you for watching.